Live from the scene with an update on what happened. And do we know how this all unfolded, Lauren?
You know, there's so many details that we're still working to confirm at this time, but I can tell you, Taryn, that it has been an awful day here in Macomb County. I also can update you and all viewers and let everyone know that the intersection behind me of Powell Road and 32 Mile has officially opened after being shut down for hours. The DTE trucks are gone, and most of the orange barrier cones are also gone as well. But take a look at the scene from earlier today. This is the aftermath of the fire on Powell Road. Macomb County Sheriff's Office tells Fox 2 around 1 p.m. a vacuum truck hit power lines above, sparking a fire. Flames engulfed the body of the truck. As a result, they say a 61-year-old man died at the scene. Powell Road was closed throughout the afternoon and evening. Fox 2 reached out to DTE. They released the following statement, quote, "It is with heavy hearts that we confirm that a contractor lost an employee today while doing work for DTE. The individual, who was working in Macomb County, came in contact with overhead equipment and was fatally wounded. We send our love and support to his family and loved ones. Our teams are currently on the scene working with first responders and local officials to assist with the investigation," end quote. So again, a tragic day out here in Macomb County, but I can report that the intersection of Powell Road and 32 Mile is officially open after hours of being closed. Reporting live here in Macomb County, Lauren Edwards, Fox 2 News.
Well, you've been out there. I mean, Lauren, do you know if the worker was killed when he was inside his truck or his utility truck? Did he step outside? Was he electrocuted? I mean, any circumstances at this point?
So when I spoke with Macomb County, they say all of that is still under investigation. They don't know specifically how he died. That's something that they're looking into. And I know that's a question that so many of us want answered. But nonetheless, just an incredibly tragic time out here.
Yeah, certainly our hearts go out to his family and those involved, those who knew him at DTE. Thanks, Lauren.